Hello guys, on this video we're gonna clean the throttle body because let me get my flashlight. So as you can see, there's a lot of carbon on the throttle body, so we're just gonna remove it, then give it nice clean with brake cleaner or carburetor cleaner, which one you have, doesn't matter. Then we're gonna install it back. On the previous videos we already replaced the spark plugs, ignition leads and ignition coil. So last thing left to do on this car, and this is the throttle body, clean the throttle body. Of course we're gonna have some videos for changing control arms, doing some little bit paint work on this car, but for now we're gonna remove the throttle body. So on the following weeks we're gonna do the rest. So let's use some VW40 to penetrate these screws easily. We have the first one. We get the second one, and other two on the bottom, one over there, the other one on the other side. So let's get some lights. As you can see, and the other one over there, just over there. So let's see which way is easier to get it. If we go that way, there you go. I would like to remove this one, but the problem, I don't have tools for tidy it up. So that's why I will keep it over there. So let me get the bolt. Yeah, it went down there, which is okay. Bolt and the socket. So we just need to remove, I think I should get some lights as well. Like I told you guys, I just rent the garage, so that's why I'm a bit short on the tools, but one by one. So let's see, there's a little socket over there, so we need to get rid of this one too. The inside of the air intake seems fine. So we got the body, as you can see, the original one. We're gonna use brake parts cleaner with toothbrush, and they will work. Also guys, this small valve, we're gonna remove it because this is air control valve. Let's remove this one too, and let's clean the behind of this. So we need to middle one. See, yeah, there you go. Come on, yeah, that's great. Because they are quite old parts, so I don't want to break them. Let's clean this side too. If I can reach with this one. So the throttle body seems fine. There is not too much damage or a lot of carbon on it. Yeah, also the sensor seems working fine. So we just give it a little cleaning. Then we can put back together. Now we can install. Yeah, seems fine. So I don't know, guys, maybe you can see. Yeah, there you go, there's a socket, see over there. So we need to connect that socket first before we install everything back. A bit dark, it is hard to see. But you're gonna hear the click sound when it's went in. See, there you go. Now we can install the screws. The bottom ones are a bit tricky, just be careful.